Buddha in Sri Lanka, 48 meters high, and very beautiful, very peaceful. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rāma, Rāma Rāma, Hare Hare. Krishna was also holding the lotus flower in his hand and was swirling it in this way, which meant that gopis could do with his heart whatever, and also he can do with their hearts whatever, like, you know, play with the heart, but in a good way. We don't accept the philosophy of Buddhists, but we respect them as all living entities, as we respect everyone. Because Buddhists, we don't accept the philosophy of Buddhism, because for Buddhists there is nothing, there is emptiness. But in our understanding, there is no love in emptiness. For love, there should be two sides, two personalities, and that's why relationships of Krishna and Radha, Krishna and Gopis is so precious, so valuable, because only between two parts the love and exchange is possible.